Hello to everyone. Well, this is what I've been talking about, and this come completely true. This is the realization of what I've been talking about. Now, watch this very carefully. This is the 6:25 in the morning in Croatian time, which is 4:25 in UTC Standard Time. In Taiwan region, there was an earthquake 5.6 Richter scale. It's 4:29, which is 6:29. So in only 3 minutes, when the tail when the orbit of the Catalina US10 reached Taiwan here, this is the orbit of Catalina, the earthquake was released within only 4 minutes. This is 6:25. We can also go back a bit, and I will show you exactly. Yes. So this is the. Just a moment. So this is the moment when orbit reached Taiwan region, and look what we got here. This is what I'm talking about. Now the most important part. Look at the sun here. Look at the sun here, and look at how this is attached to the orbit of Catalina Pan-star RB, I think it's or R8. It doesn't matter. This one which got orbit right next to the ecliptic of the sun. You see that green line here? So this comet is somewhere near, not here on the screen, but this is what I like to show you. This is the Catalina orbit. Look at that here. Catalina US10. Look at the orbit. Going around all the way here and coming out on the other side. And this is the when they reach the Taiwan. And this is the sun. And look at the alignment of these planets here toward Taiwan. Including Neptune here. Here it is. Look at that alignment. So Taiwan was very lucky that all the situation was not in this moment here. I will show you now. Just a moment. So a little bit earlier, everything was passing through the Taiwan. But as you can see, the orbit of Catalina US10 went away from Taiwan, because this is the trigger. This is the reason of the earthquake. This one here. And now I can tell you that this comet US10, Catalina US10, it's a very powerful comet. It must be very big and very powerful. You see that? Now watch how this is going to the Taiwan here. But there was another one, another earthquake in I don't know exactly. Just a moment. I will like to put this in the middle of the Taiwan with the ecliptic of the sun. Now watch this very carefully. Here's the moment when this is passing right through the Taiwan, and this is 5:44. This is 3:44 in the morning. But there's another earthquake. There was another earthquake which was stronger. It was 5.6, 5.8. This one here. And this one is 3:17. This is 5:17. Watch this. So this is the moment of the earthquake. Let me go 5:17. 5:17. Okay. Now we will go 30 and we go to 5:17. Okay, this is the 5:17. This is the moment of the earthquake in Taiwan. Now, so just let me see what was the difference between the coordinates here. I must go back, sorry. Oh, so let me see. This was 2466, 2470 knots. So this is something what is rising. You see the orbits are rising, and this is also rising here. As you can see, 100 very easily, not very much. So something is here, people. This is what I'm saying all the time, but people, I don't know, do you understand me what I'm saying? There is something between these two comets, V4 and US10, and we don't see this. This is not on the astronomical program. And this something causes a lot of trouble inside. And I believe that this something which is not visible, it's probably Nibiru. All these two comets, US10 and V4, their V4 is probably very close and stuck to the Nibiru, and US10 it's a bit away. So every time when we get the coordinates of V4, and when something is red in the sky, there is a V4. This is very important, because this one is not visible, and this one is causes earthquake. Here, for example, now in this moment, it's something what is stuck to these two comets. These two comets are connected with the Nibiru. This is 1000% sure. So don't expect to see something what is not visible. It's probably in infrared spectrum or ultraviolet or I don't know, whatever. It doesn't. It's irrelevant because it's not visible. So they have possibly some special equipment for following this planets. So this is it. Now you can see this here is a orbit of this comet. I will show you. It's somewhere here. I must find it. Here it is, Catalina Pan-Star R3b. You see that? It's stuck to the Jupiter. Look at that. This is very bad. I mean, this is really bad. And this is where somewhere in that was somewhere in the South America. Now, I don't know where was the moon in this time, but we can see that. Just a moment. Let me see if there did I mark the orbit of the moon. I think I didn't. Here it is, orbit. Here it is. Oh, it's very different now. Watch this. Watch this now. This is the part of the moon. This green line. You see? I didn't check up this. I checked the orbit, so it was not here. So watch this now. This is all very close, and this is affected. Probably there's another. I'm sorry. I started to talk about second earthquake. Probably there's another comet here. Just a moment. Let me see. Not one, many of them. So let me see what may cause this 5.8. There's a lot of you see, we got Neptune. Here's the Pan-Star. Let me see this orbit. Whoa, yes, look at it. Pan-Star F3. It's going in the moment of the, what was exactly time of the earthquake? 317, okay, that means 517. I'll have to go back. Look at that thing, 517. Boom! Look at that Pan-Star. Look at the Pan-Star. See, 2012 F3. Look at that here. Right in the middle of the TAIWAN. Look at that. In the moment of the earthquake. So there is no any mistake here. This is, irrelevant to talk about it. Thank you very much and stay tuned.